this is my 3D printer. I haven't used it in a while. Auto leveling. I also have a power switch. So I'm going to try to put on this sketchy power supply, which is just going to be quite fun. I haven't made a video in a while, so don't know how this is going to go. Let's get on to the first print.
So what you're looking at here is the power supply to the printer. This takes this cable here, which is 120 volts AC from the wall. It comes in 3 cables, hot, neutral, and ground, and converts that into 24 volts DC, and sends that through these 2 wires to the motherboard of the printer. This is the switch we are going to be adding. I'm going to try to put it in between the mains input of the power supply, so I can just switch it off instead of having to unplug it each time.
hope you enjoyed watching that video. Hope to do more like it sometime. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. A few things to fix here still. Bed leveling sensor and a few cable management things, but other than that, it's almost perfect. But, so, thanks for watching. Drop a like if you liked it. Other button works if you didn't. Hope to see you again soon. Peace.